What's going on YouTube? This is JabberTech. Today we're doing a case review for your LG G8 ThinQ. This is from Spigen. This is probably one of their most iconic cases. The tough armor has a built-in kickstand. That's why most people like it. That's why I like it. Not to mention the durability, the ruggedness of it, the design. Let's go ahead and check out the Spigen tough armor for the LG G8. So looking at the box, it's pretty much simple. It's pretty much the frustration-free packaging that we've seen from Spigen. It's kind of more eco-friendly too. They say form-fitting device. They also say ultimate everyday protection. Stable mounting. I don't know what that means. And on the back, it pretty much says the same thing. This is their green campaign. Let's lift this up and see what we get inside. Installation guide. Seriously, Spigen, we really don't need an installation guide here. Looking at the case, on the inside you have the nice web pattern, the iconic Spigen web pattern with their seal of authenticity right in the middle here, and it's just a nice overall looking case. On the inside of the case you have this air cushion, and that'll help if you drop your phone. It'll kind of just give you a little extra bumper here, and you can see that in there they say air cushion technology. That's in all four corners. Back of the case is pretty simple. This is where the kickstand lies. So let's go ahead and put the phone in. And this is it. This is the Spigen Tough Armor case on the G8. I think it's a beautiful looking case. I think it's a really nice looking case. You get a lot of nice protection, but right off the bat, I do want to tell you that I am a little disappointed they didn't change the design. I've complained about this before in the past. They're using flush buttons here, and although the Google Assistant button is rigid, and you can differentiate it from the plus and the minus, when you do pull this out of your pocket or when you're not looking at your phone, there really is no way to differentiate between these two. It's very difficult, guys. And not to mention, they are a little bit harder to press because they aren't raised. They're flush with the case. It does make the case look nice, I'm not gonna lie. It makes it look very... It makes it look very stylish, very unique, very flowy, like this would do good in a wind tunnel. But honestly, I think they would have done better with putting some more raised buttons like they did with the Google Assistant button. That's my only complaint, but I keep buying this case because of its protection, because of the Spigen ruggedness, because of the Spigen name. That's something that keeps me coming back. And also the camera protection on the back is definitely on point, super well protected. I like that they separated the flash from the camera, from the fingerprint reader. Some manufacturers just do that V, and I'm not really a fan of that V cutout. It kind of is like a cheaper look. I like this way. This way you're more protected. This way dust and lint doesn't get inside the camera lens and kind of ruin it. But the design is nice. You have a two-tone type of feel to it, from the top TPU to this plastic on the back. And this does feel nice. It is like a matte feel to it. It does feel not as slippery as past designs, so a big thumbs up to that. Here is the kickstand, guys, and it's not meant to be in portrait mode. It really is just a landscape type of kickstand, and you're not going to want to type a novel on this. This is basically for when you want to watch some movies or you just want to watch some YouTube and you don't want to hold your phone. You're at the coffee shop, you're on a plane or whatever. And honestly, the kickstand, even though it is not the most sturdiest, it really does the job, and it integrates really nicely into the case. So I'm not going to knock them too much for that. The raised lippiness is really awesome. You're really getting some nice protection on this, and that's why I like their tough armor. It's just a little bit, well, tougher than the average case, so definitely well protected with that. All your cutouts are perfect on this case, as you'd imagine. Just take a look. A little oversized for your third-party accessories. Well made for sure. Definitely a nice case. I have no issues with this case. Little company branding. So let me know what you guys think about the tough armor. It's one of my favorites. It's one of my staples. I always get some type of Spigen case for any type of phone that I get, and this is no exception. This came in right away. I really appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.